Welcome to Natural Hub channel, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies and holistic health. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of Boswellia serrata, commonly known as Indian frankincense. Specifically, we'll be looking at its remarkable health benefits and its effectiveness in supporting knee health. Boswellia serrata has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine for its potent healing properties. Let's explore why it's gaining so much attention in the health and wellness community. First off, let's talk about its overall health benefits. Boswellia serrata contains active compounds called boswellic acids, which possess powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make it incredibly effective in combating various health issues. Studies have shown that Boswellia serrata can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel diseases. Its ability to reduce inflammation in the body can lead to improved joint health, better digestion, and enhanced respiratory function. Now let's zoom in on one particular area of the body where Boswellia serrata shines: the knees. Knee pain and discomfort are common issues that many people face, especially as they age or engage in strenuous physical activities. The anti-inflammatory properties of Boswellia serrata make it an excellent natural remedy for managing knee pain caused by conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. By reducing inflammation in the joints, it can help alleviate pain, improve mobility, and enhance overall joint function. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what some individuals who have incorporated Boswellia serrata into their wellness routines have to say about its impact on their knee health. In conclusion, Boswellia serrata is a true superstar when it comes to promoting overall health and well-being with its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Whether you're looking to ease joint pain, support digestive health, or boost respiratory function, Boswellia serrata may just be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the incredible health benefits of Boswellia serrata. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on natural remedies and holistic health. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.